It's autumn, which means there's pumpkin spice everywhere you turn right now, whether it's your grocery store or your coffee shop. I actually love the pumpkin spice craze, and if you're watching this, hopefully you do too. Now, the food that started it all is the pumpkin spiced latte, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan version of that drink. Here in Los Angeles, it's actually 80 degrees outside, so I'll be making an iced version of this drink, but you can easily make this a hot drink if you prefer that. And what's great is that it's really, really simple to throw together. No need to go to that coffee shop. All right, let me show you how to make it. First, we're going to be taking a bunch of almond or cashew milk. I'm using cashew today, but you can use any non-dairy milk you like. Oat milk works, rice, soy, they're all great. Next, we have some real pumpkin. You get the canned pumpkin. Make sure it's just pumpkin in the ingredients. You do not want pumpkin pie filling. Dumping this all into a little blender. Pumpkin pie spice. I will include a link to the brand that I use below. Now next we're gonna get to our sweeteners. I use a little bit of brown sugar and some maple syrup, but you're welcome to use any sweetener that you like. If you wanna make it sugar-free, I recommend using monk fruit or stevia. To help round out our flavors, we're gonna add just a little bit of vanilla extract. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. Of course, it wouldn't be a latte without coffee. I like getting instant coffee. You want to look for one that has the little dried coffee particles just like this. Not ground coffee, but instant coffee. You can also do the instant espresso and then also those Starbucks Vias. You can use those as well. The very last thing I'm going to add to this blender is a little bit of salt. I mean, just a pinch. Now what the salt will do is help balance out the drink a bit. It's interesting how you don't realize how many foods do have a tiny bit of salt in them. I'm betting that those coffee shop versions of pumpkin spice lattes have a little bit of salt too. All right, and now we blend. Oh boy, look at that color. Gorgeous, right? So pretty. Looks like a pumpkin spice latte to me. So of course, if you want a hot latte, at this point you'd want to put it in a pot, heat it up on the stove, or microwave it. Now, as you can see, there's plenty here, definitely enough for 2 lattes. 2 festive glasses. I'm gonna fill them up with ice. All right. So pretty. Yum. It smells like pumpkin pie, I'm telling you, and it looks like it too. So gorgeous. That's delicious. I have to say, I think I'm gonna start making this drink year-round because it's just that good. Sweet, a lot of pumpkin-y goodness going on there, pumpkin spice. Then you have the added bonus of that little bit of coffee in there to help pick you up, either in the morning or the afternoon. I feel like I should be getting Jeff in here to get the second one. Oh, there he is. Perfect timing.
I just happened to walk in.
Yes, I'm so glad you did.
I honestly have not seen these before. Those look delicious. That is an amazing color. Where'd you get these glasses?
Oh, some discount store. I'm super happy. I only got 2, but I love them. What do you think?
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
It's like a Thanksgiving party in your mouth.
Right?
Right.
Or Halloween, or just an average day in autumn. Yeah, instant coffee.
You used instant coffee in this thing.
Instant coffee, that's the way to go.
You couldn't pay me to drink this.
I know.
But this is actually really good.
It's perfect for this drink because if you were to add just coffee, then it would water down the drink. I mean, you could always add a shot of espresso instead. That is one option.
Wow, that's great. I should watch your videos more often. I watch them all the time.
He doesn't watch my videos.
No, I do. I was just kidding.
Actual pumpkin in this drink.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can't get that at a coffee shop.
I wonder how much caffeine is in this instant stuff.
I did 2 teaspoons, so we have a teaspoon each, which is a pretty good punch. I think that's how much you're supposed to put in 1 cup of coffee.
So if there's enough, I might be funnier.
Well, you're always very funny. I'm your number 1 fan.
Yeah, she is. This is really good.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Yeah.
And by the way, if you show her your nails,
it's perfect for the Halloween season, don't you think?
like sparkly nails. That's what I usually do.
What? All right, thank you for joining
us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it with me to the garage.
All right, you're working on some projects out there?
I'm building stuff.
All right.
Okay, thanks, sweetness.
Thanks for joining me.
All right, thanks for
having me. See you later. Bye. Thank you very much for joining me today. Be sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't done so already, please follow this page. Please leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and please try this recipe. You can find this recipe as well as many other great vegan recipes on audreydunham.com. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe by clicking right here. And to catch more videos on how to make amazing vegan dishes and also videos on health and kitchen tips, you can click right here. And to get instant notifications anytime that I post a new video, be sure to click that bell. Thanks again for joining me. I will see you next time.